Surfer SEO versus BrightEdge. Which AI tool is better for SEO tracking? In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular AI tools for SEO tracking, Surfer SEO and BrightEdge. Both are powerful, but which one is truly better for your SEO needs? Stick around because by the end, I'll share which one comes out on top, and you might be surprised by the answer. Let's start with Surfer SEO. The first thing to note is that Surfer SEO is known for its highly intuitive user interface. It's designed for people who want fast results without needing to be SEO experts. Surfer's AI analyzes top ranking pages and gives you real-time suggestions on how to improve your content to rank higher. It's perfect for on-page SEO, providing actionable recommendations like keyword density, headings, and even content structure. Next thing, when it comes to keyword tracking, Surfer SEO offers solid tools. It integrates with Google Search Console to track your keyword rankings over time. You can track specific keywords and see how your content is performing against competitors. However, one downside is that its keyword tracking feature can sometimes feel a bit limited compared to more advanced platforms. For those looking for deeper, long-term analysis, Surfer SEO might not be enough. Now, let's talk about BrightEdge. BrightEdge is a more enterprise-level solution with a lot of capabilities beyond just SEO tracking. It offers extensive competitive research tools and can track rankings, backlinks, and even content performance across multiple domains. BrightEdge Data Cube is a standout feature. It aggregates and analyzes massive amounts of SEO data to help identify trends and opportunities for improvement. The fourth thing I want to point out is that BrightEdge can be more complex to use compared to Surfer SEO. It's designed for large-scale SEO teams, and while that's great for big businesses, it can be overwhelming if you're just getting started. It's also more expensive than Surfer SEO, so keep that in mind if you're working with a smaller budget. Another thing to note is the reporting features. BrightEdge reports are more comprehensive and customizable than Surfer SEO's, making it ideal for agencies or businesses that need to share detailed SEO insights with clients or stakeholders. BrightEdge provides detailed data on everything from keyword rankings to traffic trends and conversion rates. The sixth thing to consider is the AI capabilities of both tools. Surfer SEO has a strong AI focus, providing automated content optimization suggestions and audit recommendations. BrightEdge also uses AI, but leans heavily into its automated insights for large-scale SEO operations. If you're working with an enterprise-level business, BrightEdge's AI might be more tailored to your needs. But here's the kicker. While both of these tools are fantastic for SEO tracking, there is a better alternative out there. After trying both Surfer SEO and BrightEdge myself, I can tell you that there's a platform that's more cost-effective, user-friendly, and offers a wider array of features for smaller businesses and individuals without the steep learning curve. If you're looking for the best AI tool for SEO tracking with a better user experience and more exclusive benefits, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. You'll get access to an amazing free trial and benefits that are only available to my viewers. It's the tool I personally use, and I think it's exactly what you need to take your SEO game to the next level. Surfer SEO and BrightEdge are great tools, but if you're ready for a better solution, don't miss out. Check the link below for the best free trial available.